Hi guys, it's me Raymond here again with the redesigns for Unit 5. And yeah, I'm going to show this piece here first. I was doing color studies, and here I first did the monochromatic, where you only use one color. And here I was using primarily orange for this desert landscape here. And yeah, so far so good. Not a bad piece. It's not the most creative looking painting, but I was just focused more on the rendering, and looks pretty good. It's better than my pieces from last year. You know, they were pretty flat and ugly and just not good. But here it's better. It's got some depth. The details, they're not as janky as the other ones. But yeah, I might put this in my portfolio. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? And this one here, this was another color study. This is for the warm and cool colors, and this is done fairly okay. It's I was doing like an action scene where it's like kind of almost like an 80s cyberpunk scene, and at a nightclub, and yeah, it's pretty neat. I don't know. In my mind, I was going for something else, something a little more. I don't know. How do you say? It's just not as good as I thought in my head as it should be. But but yeah, I got my point across. With the guy in the foreground pointing his gun at this guy over here, but then this girl over here, she's countering that action, and you know, got this another guy over here pointing his gun this way, and yeah, it's better again, better than my other pieces. How I use my foreground. Um, Here, this guy, he's like almost silhouetted, popping out a little bit more. With the girl, she has like just bolder colors, and other people in the back, they're a bit faded, and yeah, it creates that sense of depth where you got this guy here first, her second, then the background last, and yeah, not too bad of a piece. Then here, another color study. This is the analogous colors, where you use colors that are next to each other. And here I was using blue, greens, and yellows for this one. And here you might recognize this one. This is a speed paint for the Blade Runner. And yeah, here it's just a really rough painting. I was just getting more of the idea than realistic rendering, and yeah, it's not too bad. Well, I don't know, any speed paint is not too bad. They with a first iteration concept art for films and video games, they always first get the idea before they start realistic renderings, and a lot of directors, they hire people that can create ideas as fast as they can, and then start to render. And yeah, not too bad. It didn't take me too long, and you know, it looks like when I look at it more, it looks like the Emerald City from Wizard of Oz. So a piece like this could get thrown in the trash. But anyways, we got our last one here, and this this one is another color study, and here we're using the complementary colors, and I was using some blues and greens with the fire over here, which is orange, yellowish, which really pops out from the scene, and it guides your eyes from the action, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. I was getting just the depth and the value and overall the mood, and I think I nailed it. I wasn't too keen on the rendering. This is just another rough speed paint, but yeah, not a bad. Well, I don't know. It's sort of bad. I got this dirt foot over here, which I noticed, but that can be easily erased out. And yeah, I'm just like looking, analyzing, and it's yeah, it could have been a little bit better than that. But yeah, these are my pieces. I hope you guys like them. Tell me what you think. And yeah, I will see you guys again. Bye.